Sit comfortably and easily and slowly close your eyes. Spine erect and body relaxed. One normal deep breath in and slowly let go. Take a back support if you want. Relax completely. Be still. Loosen every single organ. Relax. Now slowly bring your awareness to the rhythm of your breath. And then slowly inhale. Hold your breath. Hold. Keep holding. And very slowly, if you cannot hold anymore, exhale and release. Relax. Once again, inhale. Hold your breath. Hold, hold, hold. Now very slowly exhale and relax. Once again, slowly inhale. Hold your breath as much as you can. And very slowly exhale and release. Now take one normal deep breath in and slowly let go. You can continue with this practice for a few more rounds. जितना आपके पास समय है उसके according. And then slowly becoming aware of the whole body and the surrounding. Gently with a bigger smile, you may open your eyes. इस अभ्यास को लगातार करते रहिए और इस वीडियो को और लोगों के साथ शेयर करिए.